bet on the shit.
All Star.
That what that is?
This what Wallo racing?
Yeah, they want Wallo racing. Woo! Yeah, all stop, baby.
She's all Star.
Stop.
She's all Star. Well, you want to bet another 500? I open it up. She stopped.
Dang. I ain't got that goddamn 500. Why you ain't bet that money on the race? Yeah, but you have to open the motor now. Why you ain't bet that money on the race?
Nah, just because I just want to see where you were at.
That what you was doing?
Yeah, that's what I was
doing.
doing.
Shit for 3 weeks.
That's what I want to see what you
I did race you last week. 2 weeks since you did.
Yeah, but that wasn't on my bike. I want to see what real top end power was.
Oh, that was that one.
Yeah, that's what it was. And you better do something when I super it up. I'm super it up. Who's built? Cam, rod, flywheel, all that shit going on.
I'm the baddest motherfucker in Kansas City right now.
I know you are. I know you all on YouTube.
In 305.
That's all right.
Minibike. Yeah. I'm ready.
That's all right.
Ain't no YouTube.
I wasn't too far away from you.
Oh, you was far.
Nah, I wasn't too far.
Do you know how far you was?
If I would have launched with you, you were far. Because if I would have launched with you, you would have seen. I didn't launch with you. You put the bottle in and you took off. Hey, if I would have launched neck to neck, if it would have been neck to neck, you would have been like, oh my God, what's going on?
Hey, listen, double that money that we just doing. I'll race you.
Hey,
you heads up.
All that money that you won, I only like 20 years.
It don't matter. Tell your boy,
He's racing me right now at the fireman leave.
Yeah, okay. Wallo.
Hey, shit!
Yeah. What happened?
Me? They want to do a better job or something.
Yeah, we got the dub. I was just seeing what you didn't get in. Nah.
Yeah, we still gonna race after this, right?
Yeah, you got my $40.
I still got it.
I know, you got my money, we gonna race for that. I get too comfortable for that money over there.
Comfortable, huh?
Oh, okay. Where we at? What you said? Where the $5 side bet is at? They ain't there?
What you say you want?
$5 side bet, just a little 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, we want a little something. Hey, you got no $5 side bet?
Any more. Any more. We got 20.
I got $5.
We got a little something in the pot. We trying to get a little side, man. Anybody want a damn body?